This trick lets you generate unlimited AI videos for free. No downloads, no payment, just results. So first of all, to generate a video, we will need an image. For example, I am using this image. So first you have to search Kling AI on your browser. Why Kling AI? Because using Kling AI is very easy, and the quality of its AI-generated videos is also great. It generates videos exactly according to the prompt we give. And the most important thing is that the unlimited trick works smoothly on it. So first we need to log in to Kling AI. For that, we are going to use Temp Mail. And this is not just any normal Temp Mail app. If you want, you can search for Temp Mail on your browser and use it. But it doesn't work properly. But if you use this Temp Mail app, you can create unlimited email accounts. And most of those email accounts work really well. I know you guys will somehow download it from somewhere, so you have to open this Temp Mail app, then click on Get New Email Address, then click on Gmail, and then click on Create New Email. A new Gmail will be created instantly, and you can keep creating unlimited emails like this. Now, copy this email and paste it in the Create New Account section on Kling AI. Then you have to create a password. After that, you have to complete a verification step. Then you'll have to enter a verification code which you'll receive in the Temp Mail. Enter that code here. After that, your account will be created. And here you can see that currently, it's showing 0 credits. But don't worry, you just need to refresh the page. You'll get 166 free credits with which you can easily generate 8 to 9 videos. Now I'll show you by generating one video. Here we have to upload an image. And here we paste the prompt, then click on Generate, and the AI will start generating. You can see the estimated time, it's showing 2 minutes. So I'll see you guys after 2 minutes.
A few moments later.
Our video is ready. So when your credits run out, you can simply create a new email again and get another 166 credits. And you can do this as many times as you want. There's no limit. So that's it. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more no-fluff tutorials. See you in the next one.